Great.
So first thing we're going to get going is, let's cure this slightly. So,
Okay.
So we're just going to...
I thought I was the one doing the curing.
Sea salt.
That's a beautiful looking salmon. These pieces look perfect.
Yep, and then a little bit of sugar in there as well.
Of
Ooh,
sugar?
more sugar.
Interesting.
Those we're going to let them have
Just
fun.
sit,
For a
okay.
minute, okay?
Does that just add flavor to the salmon?
Yeah,
Does
it
the
will.
salt,
So it's just like seasoning it,
season?
but yeah, I kind of like just to make them a little bit
Just
shorter.
have them? Okay. And green beans are great for babies when they want to teeth. You can freeze them and they can kind of gnaw on them. What other health benefits come from green beans?
Green beans is one of our first foods that babies usually take. So
Really?
really at 6 months, first 6 months, breast milk formula, that's really all that you need. At 6 months, it's a great time to introduce that. And green beans is really one of those very first foods. You can puree them at your home. You don't need to buy the kind that they have at the store, so you can make it super natural. And it's really just a great way to start introducing solids into your baby's diet.